So what I was saying was, if you define a variable 100 and then you write something like this, x equal to x plus 10. So first thing that you should understand is that this is absolutely fine, right? And the way this is going to work is you will take this value of x, you're going to plug it here and then solve the RHS. So this will give you 110. And finally, the value of x is going to update. Okay. So when you write something like this updates the value of the same variable. And what I was trying to show you earlier is exactly same, right? Which is x plus equal to 10. Now when I run this, I get the value as 120. Why? Because this line is same as this line, exactly same, right? So it's this below style is more shorter style of writing the same thing. Make sense? Clear to everyone?